Hi, my name is Eduardo Bernal. I have a assignment for this week explain responsive images. A quick definition is a method for providing the browser with multiple image sources depending on display density, size of the image element in the page, or any number of other factors. Images that work well on device with widely different screen size, resolution, and other such features, and look at what tools HTML provides to help implement them. Responsive images are just one part of the responsive web design. What is the objective? Is learn how to use features like src set and the picture element to implement responsive image solution on websites. In this week we have in the study materials about this topic. We have all these materials and we have here read responsive images in the end. Basically is in the Win docs, and we have one article, prerequisites, objectives, and what is responsive images. They have one typical scenario on a website. This is the website, it's a father and daughter. They have one example in live and one code in GitHub. And the example, we can see, we can move it. In this example, we can look at some of the images. If you start a stream a little bit, you can see the area is responding to the width of the screen. I show you how the image use are responsive and how you maintain the quality that they have, and ensuring they maintain the quality and sizing according to the size of the browser or mobile device. It does use a mobile device or big size. I want to give two examples. One example, I'm just going to address making your images responsive. In this basic tutorial, how the images in the web page. Here I have one file, responsive image example. I have a HTML, I have a CSS, styling, and I have images. I have one, the koala, the extension is GPG. And in brackets, I have the basic HTML page, and I include the file src image koala GPG, and I type koala testing, and I use a class. The name is koala test, and is the ID be responsible I use for the CSS. I save this file, but before include the styling, I want to see what it would look. We open the Chrome and image. It doesn't do anything when we minimize. We go to Chrome, and this is the image, and it doesn't do anything when we minimize. And we need to scroll left to right to see rest of the image. Now, After I going through CSS and class the koala test ID, and it's going to put the style of how we want the image to appear. Now I'm going to add some stylings in the CSS file, ensure it's responsive. First thing I include width, %. We save, and we come back here, refresh, and we see difference. That means it's 100% according whatever the size of the browser or the device that you use. Now it's 100% no matter how the browser is moving. Small, medium, big. Correct. Now we come back to the style and we use max width. I'm going to use max width. I'm going to use 1200 pixels. We save. We come back here and we see the difference. For this we use max width 1200 pixels. The meaning is we only go as wide as 1200 pixels for the class applied in this image. So no matter how wide it gets, it goes no longer that 1200 pixels or the size you choose. We can use mid-width, but it's not necessary. We talk about responsive design. We can put max width, is not going any further than 1200 pixels, despite how long the browser gets. Now, I want to change this for 90%. We save. We come back here. We do the same. They have a little more space, margin, or padding in between forever the browser is, and the image adjusts the size according to how small the browser to be. It's small, big, we have this space. This is a basic example of how to make your image responsive. In summary, we use an HTML, image SERC, the image, and we class this with the CS, and we use width 109% and max width 20%. I have this resource. I left the link below the presentation. If you have any question, I'm ready to reply. Thank you.